Hey guys, it's me. I know it's been a really long time. Also, don't be scared. I know my hair is different. I just got a haircut a few days ago and I wanted to try something different. So I got bangs and I'm still trying to get used to it because I haven't had bangs since I was in high school and I just don't know where it all goes. So yeah, anyway, I know it's been a really long time. Happy New Year. It is a little bit late considering we're almost at the end of January, but Happy New Year. I hope you guys are having a good 2025 so far. I am so sorry that I've been pretty absent here on YouTube, and I want to make it a point this year to get back and be more consistent here because I love making YouTube videos. And last year I was really struggling like balancing my work stuff and then my own content, because for work I now create content for other people and I'm not in the video, I'm like filming and editing for them. And because I'm doing that so much during the day, when I get home or on my days off, I'm not as motivated to film because I'm constantly doing that and it's just not as enjoyable for me. So anyway, it sounds like I'm making an excuse, but I'm not. I'm just, I guess, trying to explain it to you guys. The video is just starting and I'm already so rambly. Guys, I'm a little bit out of practice because I haven't been here for so long. But anyway, today I wanted to just do a little chit chat, show you guys some stuff I've picked up. Some of them are like last year, like they're not new, but they're like new to me. And I also have a new pair of sneakers that I want to share with you guys. So let's just start off with this one first. So this is the Liang Salomon, and these are set to release on the 30th of January here in Australia. I think it has released elsewhere, like in other countries, but here in Australia it's going to be the 30th, and it is the XTWhisper, which is this one over here. And the colorway of this is just so cute, so I definitely needed to get a pair of this. This is Liang's third collab with Salomon. I really wish I picked up the first pink XT6 pair from, I can't remember, it feels like a few years ago now, but anyway, the XTWhisper is a silhouette that Salomon has brought back. So this is one of the OG trail sneaker for the brand, and it originally released as a women's specific silhouette. So they wanted something a little bit more, I feel like feminine is not the right word, but they wanted something softer and that would cater more to the female market. This year, Salomon is bringing back the XTWhisper, but it is obviously unisex. It is not like just women specific. And I had to get this because I love Liang and I just love the color of this release. So as you guys can see, it's in this really cute baby pink strawberry milk sort of colors, and it's got these really fun silver accents. There's also a touch of reflective detail that you can see here on the lace loops as well as on the heel of the sneaker. In terms of sizing, I went for a men's 6.5. I decided to go for a half size up from my true to size because I find that Salomon sometimes can be a little bit more on the narrow side. So just to be safe, I got a men's 6.5 and they fit really good. I also love the red outsole on this. And if you guys have seen the campaign photos for this release, the models are all wearing red socks, which is why I was inspired to wear red socks as well. I got some red socks from Uniqlo to go with these, but I think the red and pink combo is super cute. It also has the Liang branding here on the tongue as well as on the insole. And I'm glad that I managed to get my hands on a pair of these. The retail price for this is 290 Australian dollars. So is that the regular price for XTWhispers? I don't know. I'm sure you guys have seen the green pair. I feel like that was the first colorway that they brought out this year. Or was it the end of last year to like not debut, but like to bring back the XTWhispers. So I'm sure we can expect to see the XTWhispers in a lot more colorways this year, which I'm excited about. And being a pair of Salomon sneakers, obviously it has the quick lace system, so it's really nice and convenient. I find Salomons to be really comfortable. It's a good everyday sneaker. It was originally released as a trail sneaker, so you know that it is also very functional. I love the baby pink mesh that they've used, and the lines and paneling just gives it a really interesting look. So yeah, very, very happy with this pickup. Also, Lunar New Year is next Tuesday, Wednesday. And I celebrate Lunar New Year. And one of the traditions that you do for Lunar New Year is to wear like a new outfit. I mean, you don't have to wear everything new. That's good to do, but I feel like if you at least have like one new item to wear, that would be good to wear on the first day of Lunar New Year. So I actually picked up something from Human Made. I got this from Supply Store. I was gonna try and cop this on the Human Made website, but I was a little bit too slow. It didn't sell out right away, but then when I got onto the website, I was trying to buy other stuff, and then anyway, the game was not strong, so I could not get this on the Human Made website, but that's okay because Supply had it too. And it is just a t-shirt, but because it is Year of the Snake, they have one with like a snake graphic at the back, which I think looks so cute. I ended up getting this in a size small. A lot of my Human Made t-shirts, I wear them pretty oversized, so most of them are in a size large, which is actually quite big. So I thought I should probably wear something in my actual size this time. So I picked this up, super happy with my purchase. On the front here, you can see there's also the Human Made heart logo, and then there's like, oh, it's actually upside down. I think it is a Chinese or Japanese character. I'm pretty sure that means like luck or good fortune. No, prosperity. No, I'm just making stuff out now. Just ignore everything that I just said, but this is what I'll be wearing for the first day of Lunar New Year. Another t-shirt that I got probably, I think it came out a year ago now, and I've only wore it for the first time last week, and it is actually this Dover Street Market and Verdy t-shirt, and this was last year's Lunar New Year t-shirt because last year was the Year of the Dragon, and they came out with this t-shirt which I think is so cute. The graphic on the back is so cute, and on the front it just says Dover Street Market. Big shout out to my friend and subscriber Anson. He actually helped me get this from the Dover Street Market store in Singapore. This is a size medium, and it is like more on the oversized fit side, which I like. And this year Dover Street Market has come out with a snake print one because it is the Year of the Snake, and I was trying to cop it online last night because it dropped at 10 p.m. I think I only realized it at like 10:05, and by the time I got onto the website, they only had size small left, which I was like, it's fine, let's go. And as I was trying to check out, it sold out, so I was like, no, because I really, really wanted that one. I guess I'm trying to collect all the Lunar New Year ones now, but I thought the snake one was super cute. Also, it's Verdy, but anyway, I failed to cop it online. But luckily, one of my followers from London, she was able to get me one of the t-shirts, which I'm so grateful for. Thank you, Renee, so much. So I think that is on its way, or it's going to be on its way to me soon, and I'm so excited. So I'll definitely show you guys when I get it. Another thing I wanted to share is like old-ish now at this stage, but it is the Peaceminusone Nike Air Force Ones that came out last year, and I think I told you guys that this was one of the sneakers that I really, really wanted because I had the other two colorways. So the first pair that's like black with a white swoosh, and then the white with the black. And when they came out with this one, obviously I had to cop because I am a big fan of G-Dragon, and I just think it is a nice shoe. The sneaker is pretty much similar to the first two releases, with the upper where it has this paint layer and it cracks as you wear it. And you guys can see that I've worn this quite a few times already, so you can see that the top layer has cracked off, especially here, because when you walk it does crease over there. They have switched up the colors of the swoosh on the sneaker. I think that looks really cool, but other than that, all the details are pretty much the same. Like, it comes with the eyelets that you can attach onto. Oh, I think I lost one. Hold on, it must have fallen off when I was walking because I still have the inside part of the eyelet, but No. I'm so sad right now. I have to check whether it's somewhere like over there, but I wore it recently and I guess it must have fallen off when I was walking. No, so sad. That's okay. That's okay, because I still have the other pairs and they come with the same like eyelet things as well, so I can probably just use the ones from my other pairs. Also, this is the box. It is slightly different from the first release, because the first release it had like the sleeve and then the box is like the one where you like pull out. But anyway, it's more about the sneakers. I just wanted to show you guys because I love these sneakers, and the laces are the same as the previous release as well, where you get these really fat laces, and then it has the red lace tips with the Peaceminusone branding on there. And then, speaking of Peaceminusone, guys, if you follow me on Instagram, I posted that I really wanted to buy this because they had this Peaceminusone and Monamhee, I think that's the name of the character. They had a pop-up in Korea where you could purchase this. So it's like a little bag charm, and I don't know about you guys, but I've been really into bag charms. And when I saw this, I really wanted it so badly. And I saw that people were selling this for like a ridiculous price on eBay. Like people were charging almost like $400 for one of these, which is crazy. And as much as I wanted it, I wasn't going to spend $400 on it. I'm pretty sure the retail was probably like $70 or $80. So I was just looking online and I actually found this on a website called K-Gifts or K-Gifts to you. I can't remember the name of the website. Anyway, I think it's a website that sells more like K-pop merch and stuff, but they had it, so I ordered it. It ended up being 270 Australian dollars with shipping. So obviously I did pay resale for this, but not as much as what people were asking for on eBay. And I am so happy with my purchase. I think it is the cutest little thing. Let me show you guys. So it is a Peaceminusone collab, which is obviously the reason why I really wanted it. It is this cute little cat, and you can see it is wearing a knitted jumper, and it has this really beautiful like beaded detail here with the Peaceminusone flower. I'm not sure if you can get this for retail anywhere, but if you guys know somewhere, let me know, because I'm trying to get the blue one as well. And in the photos that I saw, the little cat was actually wearing a headscarf, because you know how GD wears like a headscarf, and I thought it would come with the release, but it doesn't. So I'm not sure, maybe that's just like a pop-up exclusive item. I'm trying to look in the box in case I missed it, but I don't think so. There's nothing else in the box except for the little cat, but super happy with this purchase. The next pair is something that came out in 2021. I've always wanted this but missed out when it released, and the resale was a little bit too steep, so then I just gave up. But then luckily, Anson, thank you again, he managed to find this for a really good deal. So he hit me up and he was like, they have this in your size, are you keen? Obviously I was keen, so he managed to get this for me in Singapore. So I am so grateful, and I should probably show you what it is. It is the Supreme Nike SB from 2021, and it is in the green colorway with the gold stars. And obviously because it is a Supreme collab, it does have the Supreme branding here as well as on the insole of the sneaker. I think I'm gonna wear this for Lunar New Year because they are brand new. I have not worn them just yet, and Lunar New Year would be perfect for them because it's giving a little bit of like snake vibes, even though it has like this cropped embossed leather on the upper of the sneaker. But it would definitely go well with my new Human Made t-shirt, and the green is just giving snake vibes, you know. So yeah, once again, thank you so much, Anson, for finding these for me. I'm so grateful, and I absolutely love them. I actually have way more sneakers that I want to share with you guys, but I didn't want this video to be too long, so I will share the rest of my stuff in another video. Again, they're not new releases, they're just stuff that's like new to me. So hopefully you guys are still interested in seeing that. I guess I'll try and do like this, what do you call it, like a collective haul sort of situations, because I have not shared what I've picked up with you guys for so long. But the last thing that I want to show you guys today is, ta-da! So, the little collectible toy things. And send us a plug out here. Thank you so much. As you can see, I have not opened anything because I just wanted to save these to unbox together with you guys. But because I haven't been filming, that means I can't open them. But today I'm finally filming, so I can finally open them. So these are the McDonald's and Verdy collab from last year. And they came up with these collectibles. It does say McDonald's Hong Kong. I need to be more prepared because my camera keeps running out of battery. I'm not prepared, guys. I will be right back. I charged my camera for a little bit, but I don't know how long it would stay on, so I'll make this quick. I want to quickly unbox one of these McDonald's Verdy collectibles. These boxes feel like the boxes that you get from the Pop Mart collectibles. So in here is, I don't know whether you know what you get or whether they're all the same. I should have looked into this a little bit more. I feel like they're probably all a little bit different. But in here is, oh wait, small paper. It is so cute. Anson did mention like the quality of these collectibles are actually pretty good, and I can agree. Look at it, it is so cute. So you have the little dog here. His name is Vick, and he's holding a packet of chips. Probably not gonna stand on my hand because it does feel like pretty, not heavy, but it actually feels much better than your standard McDonald's toy. So I am super, super happy with this. This is so cute. Okay, I'm just gonna open one for today because my camera's dying. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it's been a while, so hopefully I still know what I'm talking about because I do feel a little bit out of practice, but I've missed you guys so much, and I hope you have a wonderful 2025, and I will be sharing more of my recent, when I say recent pickups, it just means like stuff that I've picked up over the last few months. So like recent to me that I haven't shown you guys. But yeah, I hope I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon. Bye. Guys, I still can't figure out these bangs, and I'm like almost tempted to just, it looks weird. It's because it's shorter, so it doesn't look like my actual bang. Oh, actually, it might be okay. I was also gonna like do little clips like this today, but I thought I might as well show you guys my bangs, you know. I think I just need to figure out how to style them properly. But okay, bye.